welcome to my YouTube channel! My name is Canan and I've placed an order at Pink Panda and I've never ordered anything from there at all. So I really wanted to do like a first impression and like unboxing with you guys. So if you want to see what I ordered, then just keep on watching. So the new Friends collection with like a revolution is out, you guys. Oh my gosh, it dropped and I had to like order like all the things that I loved because Friends is one of my favorite TV shows and Makeup Revolution is one of my favorite affordable makeup brands. So I was just like checking out online whether like the products are available here in Germany and see like where can I get them the fastest plus the non-expensive way, right? So I found Pink Panda and they actually follow me on Twitter. Not Twitter, Instagram, I'm so sorry about that. And I followed them back, but I never ordered anything from there at all. So I thought of just ordering right there. And see there, the package arrived super fast. I paid, I think, 52 or 53 euros for my whole like order. And all of the things that were included are from the Friends collection. So I did not put on any lipstick today at all, simply because I know that there are lip products included. So let's just jump into the box, right, and unpack everything. Things are super nicely wrapped. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of like wrapping paper and plastics in it. I'm simply going to recycle these, but it's just so amazing because they secure like all of the product that you buy. The first item, you guys, I'm probably most excited about is the Friends mirror. Oh my gosh, it's this like door frame which is in like Monica's apartment, right? And I love the shade of it so much. It's like so sweet. I love this one. So I had to grab it simply because I don't have like one of these like huge mirrors whenever I'm filming makeup tutorials or so, and I can't like really see myself in the viewfinder that well because like I'm usually wearing glasses and not for makeup tutorials or anything or like videos because like you can actually like see the reflection of my ring light in my glasses. So that's a big minus for that one. But now I got like a huge mirror. Let us cut open the package. I'm definitely going to keep this one because it looks so sweet. Okay, you guys, it's my first impression on this one. I actually saw like a YouTube video the other day and a makeup artist had like the same mirror and I was just like, no, I didn't want to see this because I wanted to unbox it myself. This is what it looks like. It's like huge, like massive. I really did not see this coming. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You can't even see yourself because it has like this plastic foil on top of it, which I'm going to unpeel. But it's super secure as well, and the size, look at it. It's like the size of my head. So cute. So you can get ready seeing myself like this. Oh, my highlighter is popping. Okay, let's like unpeel this. This is so satisfying. Oh my gosh. That's that. And there's like my mirror, but I won't show you. But it's just like so cute. You can't even see it, right? It's so sweet. I love it. So next we've got a lip product, as I like told you already. And this is the lipstick from Monica. So I love Monica like a lot. But my favorite characters from Friends are actually Joey and Phoebe. They are like the best, the funniest, the nicest, the kindest, like all of them are, but I just really love them. But I didn't like any of their shades, so I picked Monica's because like there was just like a shade that was fitting me or like my skin tone and everything, my mood. It says a Friends X Revolution. And right here we've got like Monica, the name on top, and like a mouth, like some lips, right? This is so cool, by the way. I wish like all of the makeup lipsticks had like lips on top of it. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. It looks like so me, and it kind of reminds me of like a MAC lipstick that I own. So guys, what do we do now? Of course we are using like our Friends mirror and the Monica lipstick. It's so sweet. So let's just try this out. Oh, it's a matte one. Oh, I didn't know that. And it smells so good. Like fragrance. But I don't like matte lipsticks. As you can see, I'm struggling because I haven't put on like a regular lipstick in so long. I'm normally using creamy ones, lip glosses, and if I'm using something matte, then it's liquid matte, right? Oh my gosh, I love it! The shade is so beautiful. And even though it's matte, it's cute matte and it like feels good, you guys. I'm so glad that I picked like the Monica one because this shade is so beautiful. The Phoebe one was like lilac and I didn't like that one because lilac is not like a color that would suit me, but this one, I mean, look at it. It's just so sweet, right? I love this shade. And next we've got another lip product. And it's from Monica again. It's a lip gloss. And I think this one would match this look as well. It's super glittery and like cozy. And the top of it, like the lid, is lilac as well. And it's got like the Friends like frame on top as well. But that is just like perfect. I think Joey's had like a turtle or something on top of it. Because like remember that one episode where he put like a turkey on his head? Was it a turkey or like a chicken? I don't really remember, but it was something like that. Oh gosh, you guys, last but not least, I'm going to reveal the biggest Makeup Revolution X Friends eyeshadow palette that they had, because like the other ones were like tiny ones from like each character, but I couldn't choose like between a character and all of them were so beautiful, so I kind of just grabbed this one. And I didn't know that the packaging was this like gorgeous and sweet. It looks like something from a film set. I'm so excited about it because I did not like check out like the included shades or anything, so I have no idea. Of course I've spoiled myself on the package already, but I kind of ignored that, right? So let's just see what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Oh my gosh, this is like so beautiful. It's like huge. I mean, look at the size of it. It's almost as huge as like the mirror. And let's open it, I guess. Oh, there's like highlighters in here as well. And a huge mirror again. Guys, I'm like so impressed. Oh my gosh. Let me check this out. There's like all of the main characters as like the shadow names. And I love this one. Like Frank is so sweet right here. And Phoebe, of course, my favorite. Oh gosh, I love it. Ah, Ross and Chandler look so sweet as well. I don't know why Joey's pink, but it's cute. But Phoebe is definitely my favorite one. Ben is such a perfect like transition shade, and Carol as well. Miss Geller is... no, it's Mr. Geller, sorry. This one is pretty for the autumn season. Oh gosh, I love this one already. And like these like highlighting shades for each like skin tone, which I highly recommend getting, because like there's something in it for like everyone, literally. Oh gosh, you guys, I'm so happy with like everything that I got from Pink Panda. Oh gosh, I'm so happy. I'm basically just going to watch like some Friends shows, right? Alright, thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!